Okay, so this is the day 3 in CSS learning. And what we are going to see here is we are going to see as order of CSS. In this video, we are going to see order of CSS. Means order of CSS means in which order. The understanding is in which order our CSS files are applied. Okay, in which order our CSS files are applied. We have already seen the types or how many ways we can include CSS. The ways are, first one is inline, second one is internal, and third one is external. Okay, and these 3 ways, in these 3 ways, which is having more priority and which style will take over the next style, means which style will override other style, we are going to see in this video. So for this, let us start from here. We'll go to our desktop, and inside desktop we'll go to our full stack, and inside full stack folder we can see different things. We have 2 folders, HTML and CSS. We'll go CSS and we'll right click and we'll open with code. Okay, this will open the VS Code, and here I will just create one file. Let us create one file, order of CSS.html. I am creating a order of CSS.html, and I will just write an exclamatory mark. This is boilerplate code, and we can just write order of CSS. So here, let us do one thing. We have order of CSS, and we'll write one thing. Let me just write h1, and we'll write order of CSS here, and we'll take something list item. Let us say, okay, for list items I need to take ordered list, and inside this I'm taking list item, inline, and if I duplicate it down, internal, if I duplicate it down, it's the external thing. Okay, 3 things. If I just right click, open with live server, you can just see we are having different things. So how does this ordering works? Ordering means, let us see if I just write the inline style. Let me just write here. What is the order? Order of CSS. I can just write ORD, order of CSS. It is in the order of, at the top we have inline style. Inline, it is more prior than everything, and then next comes at internal or external. Okay, internal or external. This is the order. So internal or external, it depends on the way in which way they are included. If internal is included first, this will be of more priority. If this is included first, this will be of the more priority. Means whichever is included at the last is the most priority. How does it means? So that you can remember by one way. Let us imagine this is our code. How does this code executes? It executes from line 1 to line 18. Means it executes from top to bottom. It executes in this way. Means it will start from here 1 and it will execute till 18 line. And how it stays from left to right. Okay, it executes from left to right. So you need to understand our browser executes our code in this manner. Means top to bottom, it takes top to bottom and left to right. This is the way it executes our code. Means it will say from top to bottom and left to right. These things you need to understand. Okay, so let us see how it is valuable here. What we'll do, we'll just make this h1, and what I'll do, I'll come to our head section. Let us close this one and we'll increase our size. Inside this head section, let us write a style tag. Okay, to write our styling, we write a style tag. And inside this style, what I'll do, I will just simply select the h1. H1 is selected, and I will write the syntax this way. Next, I will just apply a color. Color, let us give it red. If we save this and if we come here, we need to save this file and we come here, red color is applied. You see, whenever there is an unset changes, you see there is a bubble appear here. Means this says that something is not saved in your file. And when you click save, there will be a cross icon appearing here at the top. So you can see there is a cross icon. So color red is given. it's okay. But let us say if I just go down and if I again declare color blue, then what will happen is our CSS will be overridden, but it is not because it is not saved. I will click here, Control S for save, and you see it is overridden. Means what is happening here? Our browser at the line number 10, he gave a red color. At line number 11, you said that color is blue now. Then you can imagine this way. We have a person who has weared a red color t-shirt. The color of the t-shirt will be red. But again, at line number 11, you say, again wear blue color t-shirt. Okay, again you wear blue color t-shirt. Which color will be visible for us? Blue will be visible. So this is how it overrides the properties. So how it overrides? It starts from the top to bottom, line number 9, 10, 11. It executes to 11. Then if you write here, give some spaces, and here if you write again color, let us say brown. Okay, color brown. If you see, it gives you brown color. If I save this file, come here, and it is brown color. Means at this place you given okay, but this comes here and executes this line, and it says that okay, from top to bottom, I am applying blue color. But what you said here, I came here and I saw that brown color is at last, so I will apply this color. So this is the inline styling. This is the inline styling. This styling is inline styling, means sorry, internal styling. So this is the internal styling we are using inside our same file. Okay, inside the same file it is used, so it is internal styling. So this is there. But if I just write here and I write a style tag here, and I can just write color, we can give a color of pink maybe. Okay, if you save this file and if you see the browser, the color will be pink, or else pink is not visible, so we'll make it a green. So green. We can come here, we can save this file, and we can see the green. So what will happen means, here you have green color. At every line, 9, number 10, 12, anything can be happen. But here at 17, it is the last line, right? So inline is most powerful style. Whatever you line, write in the inline style, it is the final. Okay, no one can override this. Okay, this is the inline power. So inline will always be executed. You can say always most priority. We can say it always most priority. Okay, but we have something called as important tag also. Let us say we'll make it important. We can also make this important. Okay, we are not need to save here. We can come here, we can save this file, and we can come here. See, inline property also went away, because although I have event, but what it says color brown, it is important. Although you are doing anything, but this is important color, apply this only. So this is how we use the important word also. Okay, any property which is having important word, it will be applied even though inline is there. So next, let us test in the internal style and external style. So what we'll do, we'll just have a external style. We already have something called style.css, which is having a external style here. So what I'll do, I'll just link this style. What I'll do, I'll come here and I will just link this style.css. Now if I see, the properties will be applied. What is the style.css? It says select h1 and provide a background color yellow. If I come here, I need to save this, and you can see I got a background color yellow. So this is the external style sheet. So we'll remove this for a moment, or else we can comment it off. Okay, what I'll do means I will just again select h1 and we'll remove the inline style. I don't want now inline, because we already know that inline is most powerful. And we'll do just some color property here, and we'll write red. Okay, color red. And I will go to the style. I will remove the background yellow. And here also I will upgrade the color blue. I'm just changing this way. I save these files. Now, when my browser executes this, it comes this way and says that, okay, line number 14, for h1, I need to give color red. But when it comes to line number 20, it goes to this file. What is this file? This file says that Control Enter. If you click, you land to this file and you say, this is the one, means color blue. At this line number 20, h1 color has to be assigned as blue. So you see, it is blue. Now, if I take this link, cut it from here, and if I put it at the top, means at first this will be executed and color will be blue. And when it comes to our internal style, it is again changed to red. So now at this moment, the color will be red. So how it is happening means, logically, first our inline style is the most priority. Okay, our inline style is the most priority, and internal or external, they depends on the order which you keep. Means in which order you keep, which one is last, that will be more priority. Let us say inline, we can remove it. Internal, external, which will be executed means which you apply at the last. If you keep internal at the last, internal will be applied, or else if you keep external at the last, external will be applied. So this is the ordering of CSS, most important interview question. So this ends our video for the order of CSS.